uma ngathiwa kwenzeka i-disaster lana khona uswedlwenguliwe sawubona siyayikhonkotha imbongolo ko TV sanibona kwenzakalani kodwa kanjalo
yebo matswana
Sokufundela khona bezozwana abanye.
yebo basondela
sondelane sifike president imali
uyaphila bomama yeah ngenza ukuthi niyaphila kodwa ukubuza ngoba umuntu uyabuza nje ake ningibeke esithombeni kwenzakalani ngoba ngiyezwa kuthiwa senensukwana ningikhona ngapha
Phakade sihlangene la sinethisha abalapha KwaZulu-Natal njengoba sila abangaqashekile.
yeah
Silapha ngenhloso yokuthi silethe incwadi yezivuno kumqashi.
yeah
Sihlelela kusukela ngomsombuluko usuku lwesibili losihleli. Ukusebenza kwamahhovisi yebo kukhona kodwa bese ngakalithola ithuba lokuthi mhlawumbe kube khona into esendisa ukuthi sisazokhuluma nani sixakekile ngoba nihleli lana nje nikhala ngani.
yeah
Ngoba phela ithi lento le ndawo kumele kube indawo ekwazi ukuthi ukusebenza kuhlale kukhona ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi mayibona ukuthi sekukhona iqeqebane elingaka labantu idlanzana elingaka labantu ehleli lapha ithini into ukuze uqhubeka ukusebenza kuqhubeke kuyinto ejwayelekile bese ngakakuthola ukuphenduleka udaba siyazama ukuthi lube khona kubantu beindaba njengoba sikucelile besicelele isemisi kanje khona into ethi ke okubalekile kunakho konke khona into ethi wena njengoba ungizwe unawo amandla angaphezulu kwawethu ukuthi wena ukwazi ukungena ngaphakathi ngencwadi yethu ezikhali ngoba thina mabe sila usangena nje isangweni laba abasebenzisa nama security agents cha awukwazi ukungena la ungabiziwe ngomuntu ongena ngaphakathi wena njengoba uthi uzeni incwadi ezikhali kumele sazi ukuthi uze kubani okuliphi office ubizwe ubani into ethi thina siqhinqile lapha asazi ukuthi siqhinqelini uma ngabe futhi ukuthi usiza sitholi sisayingisele nje ukuthi siqhubeke sihlale lapho kuzobe siyazona
iningi leni ngabantu besifazane nilala apha mathiwa niyalala nje baniqhinqile nje
ukufika kwethu la besingenayo indawo yokulala kodwa ukhona udadewethu osisinikile ikamera elilodwa siyalishare sonke ukuhlala kwethu nje sihlala lapha ya sithi
nikhempile nisesitelekeni nilwela amalungelo enu ngoba uhulumeni unayo imali ayichitha entweni engabalekile uhulumeni wethu ufile ngifuna ukunitshela nje iqiniso lokho lentisho lodwa athi kubana namashoti yebo angithi ubaba weshoti education engikhuluma naye yebo baba uNgcobo ngila ngaphandle kwamability ukusebenza kwezemfundo ngike ngamzama noNgqongqoshe liba sengithintawa namhlonishwa kunenkinga la yabantu iningi labo abantu besifazane futhi u95% wabo abantu besifazane sekunesikhathi behleli la asisho ukuthi umsebenzi awube khona ngankani umhlonishwa mangabe ungekho kodwa abantu bayahlonishwa ngoba izwe lapho likhona libekwe yibona abantu ukuba mhlambe kube khona oba attendayo alalele izikhalo zabo bese nikeza i-directive ngoba thina njengama leaders of the society izinto ezenzeka on the ground njengoba silapha nje thina siphila nabantu usuku nosuku siyashaqisa baba manje mabe inikela ngalolu hlobo abayinikela ngalo begcine bengayintholi ngisho indlebe and attention today isifundazwe siya celebratewa umjuluko wabantu abangama officials kodwa odliwa osopolitiki bathi ibona benze lokho ibona benze lokho kodwa la kufanele betholakala khona abatholakali baba bengithi baba ngibuza ukuthi mhlawumbe udaba njengalolu baba uyalwazini kunabantu abaningi la othisha abaqhinqela ngaphandle kwamahhovisi ezemfundo lapha KwaZulu-Natal abalethe izikhalazo zokusebenza yebo baba bafundile bakwenza konke baya applya abaqashwa futhi masebeza lapha sebelethe imemorandum no one ever is attending them and pay attention to them uma ngathiwa kwenzeka i-disaster lana khona uswedlwenguliwe sawubona siyayikhonkotha imbongolo ko TV manje yonke le nto leyo sikhathele baba usopolitiki baba njenge senior official in the Department of Education I'm pleading to you to attend this measure in an urgent basis please ngiyacela baba
Ngikhuluma nobani angizange ngithole.
Yebo ukhuluma noNgizwa Mchunu baba.
Phakathi njalo phakathi.
Sikhona baba.
Awuqobo lo.
Yebo.
No, ngoba nami ngizoyizame banyana
Yebo ngiyacela baba nje sila eMaritzburg ngaphandle ko Department of Education la ngiyacela nje umuntu osenior eze with action base akwazi ukumukela izikhalo zodadewethu nabafowethu asikwazi ukuthi singaba nezwe la ama academics elele ngaphandle baba iviki neviki elele ngaphandle lokuvula izikole we are busy focusing on other things leyo baba can never tolerate ngiyacela baba njengamanje baba umuntu osenior ku education eze la sikhulume naye sibone sifuna direction ngayo yonke lento lena. Yebo baba nami ngilindele la uzafika ngikhona. Ingaphili ngikho. Ngencane na ngoba basuke bezingela iperfume. Uhulumeni wethu nesicwatha. Bazingela iperfume ezothi mayifuthile bese ethandwe abantu. Ngoba siphila under uhulumeni owenza inethiwa i-damage control. More than 30 trillion owisho yilelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika emazweni omhlaba ekuthenini lelizwe lizame ukwenza lento yokuthi singcono thina eAfrika singcono thina lapha kuuthi yabo njengamanje ngikhuluma noShowthi lapha ngikweni ngoba bunqobo wayesethi usemzimkhulu kuthi sisemzimkhulu udeploy khona ngakhuluma no baba wasithi umuntu o-responsible kakhulu kule portfolio ubaba ubani na advocate Bheki Masuku yabona uMasuku niyamazi yona mbongolo ke lena enkondene nayo phansi ngoMasuku phansi ngoMasuku phansi uMasuku lo wenza corruption elamabhilidi lawa ngibona nje manje la kunuka uthufi la ngaphakathi akunamanzi ulebhu uvalile umasipala uvalile uhulumeni wethu ufihlile ezithaye ezenzakalayo njoba ngidila nani nje lapha nilwela amalungelo enu okusebenza kwenu uma niphenduka niba wamahosha maniphenduka niba zigebengu manizalele ekhaya uhulumeni uyakhala kodwa mangabe nenze okulungeleyo nokuqondileyo abakho lokwenza uhulumeni ngithi noma ngabe yipi department noma ngabe yipi company I am coming for you angikhathele manje angisakhulumi ngiyenza ngifuna futhi ukushayela ihlombe nentombazane leyo empofu ukuthi yabona mawumuhle izinto ozenzayo zomsizwa asimshayela ihlombe uJacinta uMangobese ufiye lento ayikhulumayo ensonke siyayikhuluma phela inamakhoda alukhuni ekufuneka guquka mina kangisondele entweni bese ingabi nawo umphumela ofanele yebo angisondele entweni okuzokuthiwe asijikele ngalesikhulu yayizwa lo ngoba la inkinga lelizwe lethu iyodwa kuphela lezoxazulula lento eshiwo uMangobese nengizongithini yebo ukuthi kushintshe uhulumeni finish yebo ngoba sikhuluma ngabantu athi abahambe bokufika ushiye isebenzi abelusi abantu abalusi inkomo zakhe abantu bokufika yebo abantu abamphekela abantu bokufika onena abantu bokufika imoto yakhe ikhenikho abantu bokufika abanganamaphepha bonke labo bantu abantu abagcwele imingcele abangena eSouth Africa ama agent abo abantu base South Africa abama agent babathengwa kubo labo bantu bethengwa abantu abanikazi benkampani athola itender yokubhusha umgwaqo emaceleni ko freeway asuke lapha athi badula ba South Africa ngoba benula amalungelo abo athi ngizoqashana istaff ekuyisona esingenayo inkinga yoku understand ngangumthini uma ungabuza labo babhusha utshani lapha ko freeway ko N2 nako N3 yabona Akekho umuntu eSouth Africa osebenza lapha. Yini na izwe li beyond repairs. Ngiyangizwa ngithini? Our country is beyond repairs. So nina ke nifuna ukame ifixwa ngamanqozi. Ngithi mina mangobese I'm coming for you. Job well done. Ngibonyela lapha impela ulozo wavela umtsinsile wakho. Happy no mangobese phambili. Well done mangobese enye into ke ebalekile ukuthi afuneki siyinqunze yabona. Abantu abamnyama banesifo songakwazi ukuhlangana. Njengamanje masifuna lento esifuna ukuthi yenzeke. Asihlangana ngamabomu nje. Amen. Uyazi ihlakaniphi ezu100 ziyehlulwa ziphukuphuku ezu10 mayihlangene. Amen. Unity is power. Sihlulwa maza aphuwa the country rich. Yabona lezi mbongolo to ama-Nigerian azikhoma zeyisa kodwa mongabuka izwe lwabo lifile baqhoma ngeze ubona bekhoma begcwele lonke indawo nje waze ngibabuza ukuthi mina ntoba niqhoba nayisanga nje yini engahlala izweni elimali right izwe lwabo lifile. Our country is beautiful yabona. So njengamanje ke inqomo engisithathayo ngithi mina lo baba lo okuthiwa uMasuku advocate Masuku angifune lokho engirife ngisale futhi naye uMasuku uqo ngifuna bobabili benongqongqoshe siyabasuphina ke manje ukuthi ungqongqoshe umsebenzi wakho omuhle wenzile siyawubonga ukuthi iKwaZulu Natal itholakala iqhwakele ngoba icredit iya ungqongqoshe akithi ngakho ke ungqongqoshe mangabe icredit iya kuyena ne suffering the pain eyenzakalayo kwi-department it must also go to ngqongqoshe. So ngithi ke mfowethu ngane kwethu sikushayela ihlombe kunjalo kodwa siyacela ukuthi lolu size engilibuka la ngimenywa ukuthi abafowethu luyangithinta enhlizweni. Ngiyacela ke nawe mfowethu ukuthinta ngoba sengize ngafika la ngane kwethu ngiyacela ukuthi umsuphine uMasuku eze la azokhuluma nabantu abachazela noma ngabachazela usuku nosuku vele ngabantu bakithi abahluphekile sizezweni elihluphekayo vele ukukhala kwenu kufanele nikushintsha amagiya nikushintsha amanothi ukuze kugcine kuzwakala kuhulumeni angithi it's a responsibility. Anilo lamuntu angivalele izimpahla anilo peacefully nilo lamalungelo enu abazali emakhaya babopha isiqoqiya bagoqile bayathandaza bathandazela ukuthi into yenu iye phambili. When this country becomes a crime zone, then we will complain, but when this country, yabona, singalwela ukuthi iqonde liyeke corruption, then manje si wrong thina kithi. Cho ngizwa wami baqhamukela ngoba ngesingabo nje bona funa niyekiwe nje no senihambele ngendlela abangenandaba nayo kulungile ukuthi nifele la yabona. Ama companies amaningi achaphaza abantu amanje achaphaza abantu awathendwa umuntu abantu bangamagwala basaba ukufa mina ngisabe ukufaka mina akho nje mina ngisabayo mina ngisabe umuntu yabona. Each and every department and each and every company I'm coming for you President wethu zakhala manje phansi ngamgothoyi phansi ngabantu abahlukumeza abafundi phansi abantu abangaqashi abantu ngendlela efanele phansi unemployed graduate. Ngithi njengamanje usize engilificelana engilibonela into engizoyenza later must be April nangena ngithini ngifuna ukuthi uhulumeni simfake ingcindezi abone ukuthi usize esibhekana lungakanani. Ngiyozosuka la ngiyobhuka iMoses Mabhida akekho ngisho yedwa umuntu ozongena engenayo iqualifications. Ngifuna ukuthi ehulumeni si display kuyena ugcwalisa stadium ezimbili iKings Park Rugby Stadium as well as Moses Mabhida Soccer Stadium. Nyangisho zigcwale kanye kanti stadium kubonakala ukuthi how many people that are highly qualified and educated that are unemployed. By April, I'm going to do that. ngizomthola ungqongqoshe la ngoba mtholile shoti ngamthola uMasuku yabona Masuku ke ukhuluma uyale ngimathi ukuthi ngoba iportfolio yakhe lefuna ngabe uyayi-attend yabona so by tomorrow I promise you ukuthi ungqongqoshe ngizomthola ngicela ungqongqoshe ke ungathi ugiye esigcawini uyithele ngodaba ngiyacela mfowethu ngiyacela mntaka baba attend this is a serious matter this is an urgent matter must be attended MEC Hlomuka eKwaZulu Natal you have done well you are the leader take the bullet and take the victory siyakhala manje
no ngiyabona ukhathesi lapho ngiyaphila
yeah
problem siyahlangana nalabo thisha sesike sahlangana naso
yeah
problem bahlangana nabo usekurezeke church bacaba basuke basiyabasisaya uku-avoida ngoba sesenazi ukuthi senza ama-promises
yeah
ngiyabona ukuthi esiparisi anything you say, you understand that situation was very good. But eating is sound against that way. Which is never much. The good is about supply, about 70 years old.
yeah
Over 30 days. Massive restrictions were, but never much. Yeah. Teaching to place once expecting to place abesayavela ama-position it's a people who asinayo i-direct control kahle ngoba kusuke sekuvela kwi-database nabantu okudala abakhetha and all that so but our folks bahlangana nabo bagcina sebeba ne-hope ukuthi there is something that is good but when we know there are procedures of that there.
yabona baba kulokho ngicela ukuchitha baba human nature and the desperation should be combined as a cry out loud ukuthi uhlangane kangaki noma ngawu10 noma kangaki nabo abantu laba abavotayo abantu laba baba abadinga usizo abantu abahluphekile emakhaya abantu abanethemba kuhulumeni abamnikeza amandla ngakho ke baba uma ngabe ngempela ungayeka abantu besifazane aba-90% abacelelana bekungahlangana nabo qualified teachers doesn't matter what you say or they can overturn your expression kodwa ukuhlangana nabo kuyinto ebalekile uzwe izikhalo zabo ngoba lento lena ilungile baba okwangempela okwamhlolisho okwangempela yabona nje baba Masuku ngifuna ngamanga icala lelenzela la even ku Human Rights Commission icala lelenzaka la abantu abalwa abanjani they are just sitting outside they are demanding the attention of the senior people in the Department of Education of KwaZulu Natal. You just posted ukuthi sihambe phambili ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika kodwa manje ke mawubuyela phansi on the ground we don't see that ngoba baba ukuhlangana usuku nosuku baba ngeke baba yabona nje basengiza ngafika lapha nje baba bengicela
ngithi njengamanje we have about 3,000 permanent educators who are not yet appointed but who are still in place. It was much effective in the process. Although not giving up direct, HR or still an HR. We have been meeting with them several times. And where possible, the problem we will meet them today. Tomorrow and all that, because it's almost desperate, they have understand. Go to again, the obligation is your color, so some people who are permanently serving in the system, we place and compete to them. What is competing, then there is a process to deal with others. But again, is a razor no HR, but I think the chief director HR should be closer to the office. Be careful with where are they so they can meet them.
bengicela baba ngoba nami sengisengafika lapha baba kuhle ukuthi sikhulume nani kahle sinihloniphe ngaphambi ukuthi isimo siphume esandleni sinihloniphe ngoba ngiyagcizelana namanje in a human nature umuntu uyahlonishwa baba mayikhala engonela ukuthi kodwa mama kuthiwa khona abayimoshayo la amaphoyisa azoba available nathi kuthiwa sisusudlame olingenasidingo ekubeni bayalalelwa abantu lencazelo nje ichazela mina mfowethu ngangcobe uyichazela bona abantu aba-applyayo ngoba mina ngiyemthisha mina anga-applyile mina I'm just a normal citizen who happens to be a leader of the society. So when they are crying, their tears fall over me, I have to respond. Nihlulwa yini into esimple kanjalo baba ukuthi nikwazi ukubanakekela abantu akwazi nohulumeni omkhulu abe nepressure yokuthi ama unemployed graduates angakanani ahlele emakhaya alimele emphefumulweni angakwazi ukuqhubeka nempilo yawo baba kanti ngempela lelizwe where are we heading with this country? Can you please someone can attend this as a matter of urgency right now please?
Check ngoba I'm not frozen ngisefane njengamanje. Let me check ukuthi ukhona i-official yawa HR eseduze. If engekho sekuzo-arrangeka because I don't think kuneze kube namanye ama-engagements ukuthi where are they mina njengamanje ngisebangeni I'm still very very far.
Ngiyacela baba lokuthi kwenzeke baba ngoba nami ngizomalaza fike lo muntu ngoba icala lelo ukuthi abantu besifazana bangalala kanjeni usuku nosuku kodwa abantu bagijima nothayi behle benyuka kube ngona maphara ama highly qualified people icala lelo baba ummiso nomantshana icala. I can never tolerate that. Please, I'm gonna wait for you. Please.
Masingane njengamanje hey I cannot guarantee ukuthi where are they.
Yebo ngicela njengamanje ubaba uyenze lo mzamo ngoba this is an emergency please bese ubuya kumina baba ngicela mhlonishwa ngiyacela baba.